Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. In a shocking turn of event, Advocate Jayant Prabhu died by suicide on Thursday morning due to alleged harassment by the Margao police. It appears the advocate's house was allegedly ransacked on Wednesday night. In his suicide note, Advocate Jayant has blamed Lady PSI Anushka Parab and others of Margao Town Police Station of harassment as the reason for suicide. This comes after his elder son, Advocate Pritesh Jayant Prabhu, was booked by Margao police for alleged sexual harassment case. The family has refused to accept the body, demanding that action be taken against the Lady PSI and the team. The Advocates Union has supported the family. Sources say Advocate Jayant, PSI Anushka and the complainant are all from Vasco.
In a tragic incident, Advocate Jayant Prabhu died by suicide on Thursday morning, alleging harassment by Margao police in his suicide note. This tragic event follows the recent arrest of his elder son, Advocate Pritesh Jayant Prabhu, on charges of sexual harassment on 24th August. An FIR was registered on the accused by the victim. Police searched the residence of Prabhu at Davolim, where the younger son, Advocate Ashish Jayant Prabhu, stated that their father's suicide note directly blamed 4 police officers from the Margao Town Police Station for the harassment that led to his death.
हांव आशीष प्रभू एडवोकेट जयंत प्रभूचो चलो आनी प्रितीश प्रभूचो भाव सांगूं सोदतां की म्हज्या भावाचेर एक मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन घाल्ली आनी त्या कंप्लेंटाच्या संदर्भान काल रातचे 4 पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वयल्यान आमच्या घरा कडेन आयिल्ले आनी आमकां काल 10:15 वरांचेर आमच्या घरा कडेन येवन आमकां हेरास करपा लागले आनी आमकां सांगपा लागले की म्हगेल्या भावाक आमी घरांत लेपयलो म्हणून आनी आमच्या घरा भितर येवन सगळे सोदपा लागले तो भुरगो थंय म्हगे भाव थंय दवरून दवरलो म्हणून आनी ताका लागून आमकां ताणें खूब हॅरासमेंट केली आनी आज सकाळच्या ह्या हॅरेसमेंटा लागून म्हगे बाबान आपल्यान सुसायड केलें आनी आपल्या डायट डिक्लेरेशनान म्हणलें की ह्या 4 पुलिसांक लागून आपूण आपल्यालो जीव घेता म्हणून हांव आतां मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर एन्क्वायरी करची अशी म्हणून म्हजी मागणी करता.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has issued notices to 5 clubs against whom maximum complaints of violation had been received. They have also been directed to install sound monitoring systems. The Goa State Pollution Control Board will monitor the sound levels. The next hearing in the sound pollution case has been fixed for September 4th, according to Advocate General Devidas Pangam. 3 phone numbers have been circulated for public complaints on noise pollution. Those clubs without consent to operate will have to shut down.
Sound pollution matter, the High Court has issued notices to 5 parties who are supposed to have received maximum complaints of violation of the standard of noise. They have been joined as parties. High Court has issued notices to them, and the Pollution Control Board is also supposed to monitor their activities. This is one thing that has happened. Secondly, as far as our proposal which we had made to the court about how to monitor, who will be the supervising authority, which numbers are to be contacted, that note has been accepted by the High Court and it has been made an order of the court. So that is as of now, that is the order of the High Court. What is suggested is now there are 3 numbers which are given basically. If any violation is reported, the citizens can contact at these 3 numbers, and if action is not taken, then the STPO will come in picture. He will immediately take action.
सर ॲक्च्युली हांच्यांनी काल जे सांगलेलें न्हू टू आयडेंटिफाय 5 वेन्यूज जे अंजुनान नॉयज सुबेस करता ते. सो विथ द कन्सर्न ऑफ द अंजुनान वागातोर लोकांचे तेंच्यांनी 5 नांव ऑलरेडी दिल्ले आयज कोर्टान. तर जजान ऑलरेडी सांगलां की विदीन अ मंथ तांकां सावंड मॉनिटरींग स्टेशन घालचें पडटलें म्हणून आनी जांचे कडेन कन्सेंट टू ऑपरेट ना टू शट इट डावन. कळ्ळें न्हू.
सो हे जे सावंड मॉनिटर सिस्टम बनला 5 प्लेसीर घालपाक लायला काय एकाच प्लेसीर मॉनिटर सगळे 5
ईच क्लब रेस्टॉरंट जे हॉस्टेल आसा न्हू तेंच्या
इंडिविज्युअल
घालचें पडटलें
सावंड मॉनिटर.
पण मॉनिटर कोण करतलो ताका?
मॉनिटर करतलो GSPCB.
सेम नोटीस तिंका आतां धाडटले.
कितें म्हणटा?
नोटीस तिंका आतां सेम धाडटले.
नोटीस आतां काडटले कोणाक? ऑलरेडी नोटीस काडलेली आहा 32 जेंकां कॉलेजांत ऑलरेडी पावलेलो बाय गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान. की इन्स्टॉल द साऊंड मॉनिटरींग. आतां तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी म्हटलां की विदीन अ मंथ. तर आतां वेनिजेट कळटलें आमकां की वेन द GSPCB विल बी फायलिंग एन एफिडेविट, देन ओनली वील कम टू नो वेदर इट इज ओनली 5 or एंटायर ऑल दीस 32 टू बी प्लेसिंग दी साऊंड मॉनिटरिंग स्टेशन्स.
सो टोटल कितले 32
32 आहा.
आता 5 जाणांक सांगला.
आतां 5 जाणांक वय
सध्या 5 आयडेंटिफाय केल्या म्हटलं.
आयडेंटिफाय केले. करेक्ट. या.
In a tragic incident at Pere Anjuna, a 7-year-old boy named Prabhas Kalangudkar succumbed to his injuries after being mauled by a pit bull on Thursday evening. The Anjuna police have arrested Abdul Qadir Khwaja of Pere Anjuna, the dog's owner, after the unleashed pit bull fatally attacked the boy at his residence.
The dreadful incident of a 7-year-old boy's death by a pit bull has sent shockwaves to the community. The child, who had accompanied his mother who was working as a maidservant to the owner's house, was bitten on his hand, neck and cheek, suffering severe injuries. He was rushed to the North Goa District Hospital, Mapsa, and later transferred to GMC, Bambolim, where he sadly passed away. The owner has been arrested under Section 1061 for negligence, 291 for letting an animal on loose and Section 8 under Children's Act.
कंडेम करता पूण हांवें पळय तेजेर वसोंक ना. हेच आमचेरूय आहा. आमी ते ही पळय हें आहा, ही सुणी आहा पळय न्हू भुरग्यांक व्हेरी प्रोटेक्टीव आनी इतली जेलसी आहा ताका. तूं कितलोय ट्रेन केलो न्हू धाकट्या भुरग्यांक तूं अजून धाकटे भुरगे येयले न्हू ताका रोखडीच ती अटॅक करूंक वयता. सो ह्या तेणें पळय स्टेटमेंट दिला न्हू कितलो तेजो सारको हें आहा पळय तो ते स्टेटमेंट दिला पळय त्या बायलेक सांगलेलें खंय तेणें कामाक येता पळय त्या येयना काय म्हणून कंडम करना न्हू. तेणें आपणाचे तो घरानूय नासलो म्हणून आपणाचे भोंवतणी भितर भायर काडूंक ना. तेणें भितरल्या घरान नासलो पण ते आपण सोडटालोच ना आपणाच्या जाग्याचेर उडकी मारून काय भायर येवंक ना.
It's irresponsible on the part of the owner. I was just telling my wife, it's irresponsible on the part of the owner to leave the dog loose in the house, knowing that it's a ferocious dog. Now, he insists that he told the mother of the child not to come to work when he was away, and he also insisted that the mother should not bring the child. Yeah, which is okay, but the fact that he had a ferocious dog, that itself is an offense. And the second issue is that he kept it loose in the house. Now, the question is whether these breeds should be banned or not. I normally recommend to my clients not to keep such ferocious dogs, although they insist that they are friendly, and over the last couple of years, the dogs have not attacked anyone, and but they are unpredictable.
Yeah, the choice for this very large size is wrong, is my take on it. And whether you're a dog person, whether you can handle that, are you capable? You know? Like before getting married, the Goa government does age test on couples. But if you buy a big dog, is there some test that can be done to figure out whether you're fit, not just financially, obviously you're financially fit, you can afford 1 lakh, 2 lakhs also to buy some breed. But what is your commitment to taking care?
Okay, right.
But there is no criteria for commitment for taking care.
Yet another attack on a child by a ferocious dog in Anjuna has raised the question in Goa, whether in Goa and the entire country, whether dogs or pets which are of ferocious nature are really the friends or foes of the dog owners or the pet owners. The veterinarians, the community of veterinarians and animal lovers have in fact said that it's an unfortunate incident, but it's also a time to intrinsically think about how this can be controlled. The incident of the Anjuna, the child in Anjuna which was mauled to death by a pit bull is very fresh. The owner has been arrested for those charges, and also because he kept the dog unleashed. It's also being said by the veterinarians that it's also the responsibility of the owners to keep the dogs leashed or in a controlled environment where humans don't get in contact with those dogs, because in case of the breeds like pit bull, then Rottweilers, then American bull terriers, these animals are unpredictable is what the veterinarians say. The veterinarians, senior veterinarians like Gustav Pinto also said that they have been asking people not to have these ferocious dogs as pets, because if the dog is involved in one incident of biting, it will go on and repeat the same thing in the future. So this there is a lot of awareness and also discussions need to be done, intrinsic discussions, overall discussions that need to be done with the pet owners, pet lovers, and also legislations that are bound to be taken need to include everything while taking any decision. With camera person Deven Gaonkar, this is Pratik Parab for Herald TV.
The sound pollution menace does not seem to go away. The residents of Anjuna are still having sleepless nights. Don't they have the right to a peaceful night's sleep? In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV asked people if they feel that the government is passing the buck on stopping sound pollution.
So yes, it's taking us back to square one, and I feel they're not really serious about this. The government, they really don't have the political will to help the citizens of Goa, and it is their duty ultimately. They are the ones responsible to ensure that law is enforced properly, and if they're going to just pass it around to everybody else besides themselves, then this is not right.
तुम्ही जे पैसे केले पळय तितले बंद करा आणि आमकां लोकलांक सपोर्ट करा, आमकां न्हीद दिया, भुरग्यांक शिकोवणी. तुम्ही तुमच्या भुरग्यांक बऱ्या बऱ्या स्कुलांनी धाडटात, पयस धाडटात, ते तशें आमकां परवडना बऱ्या बऱ्या स्कुलांनी पयस धाडपाक. आमी आमच्याच लोकल स्कुलांनी धाडटात आनी ते तांकां शिकयतात थंय. सो इतलेंच मागता सरकारा कडेन, खेळ खेळपाचो बंद करात जनते कडेन आणि आमकां सपोर्ट करा.
So without once again to avoid the authorities passing the parcel, and for us to be at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning at the police station trying to figure out a solution, we need a definitive solution and a definition of what the term action by the police means. Does it mean seizing equipment? Does it mean shutdown? And according to some rules that said that if it's a repeat offender, they have to cancel their licenses. So what happens to all these things?
Taxi drivers from South Goa gathered in large numbers at the Kolwa police station and filed a complaint against Parag Raikar. They told the police inspector that in a viral social media post, Parag has alleged that the taxi operators drink and drive. He has also spoken against the Sarpanch and MLA. They demand that an FIR be filed against him and he be brought to the police station, or else they will not leave the police station. Sarpanchas of Benaulim, Varka and Kavilosim rally behind the local tourist taxi operators.
सो ताका म्हाका विचारपा जाय, तो एक वाटेन म्हणटा की कोणी खंय धंदो करूं शकता, जाल्यार तो ह्या टॅक्सी भावांक आमच्या जेन्ना बाणावले पिकअप वता, वारक्या पिकअप वता, तेन्ना ते वारक्या पिकअप दिना कित्याक म्हणटा. कित्याक एक वाटेन तो सांगता कितें की धंदो कोणी खंय करचो. सो अशें जर आसा जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की बाणावले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ही पाकिस्तानाक आसा काय इंडियेन आसा, हो म्हजो प्रश्न ताका. दुसरें म्हणल्यार तो परमिटा बद्दल उलयतना थंय परमिटाचेर क्लियरली बरयल्लें आसा कोणी खंयी टॅक्सीकार वचून पिकअप आनी ड्रॉप करूं शकता. हें परमिटान बरयल्लें आसा. ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटान तांकां सगळ्या गाड्यांक परमिटाचेर ही परमिशन दिल्ली आसा. आतां ते व्हिडियोन क्लियरली हें केल्लें आसा. 1000 रुपया फी दी म्हणटा तांचो तो ड्रायव्हर. ती फी कोणालो हप्तो हें तांणी क्लॅरिफाय करचें. वो आमदाराचो थंयच्या हप्तो, बाणावलेच्या आमदाराचो हप्तो, हांव डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन करता, वो हप्तो काय सरपंचाचो हप्तो. तिसरें, ट्रॅफिक पुलिसान थंय वचून आल्कोमिटर लावन दनपरां चॅक करपाचे कितले पिल्ले आसात आनी कितले नात ते ड्रायव्हर सगळे थंय पिल्ले असतात आनी त्या फोर्साचेर हांकां अडयतात.
सर हे कंप्लेन आतां जो परग रायकर जो गोवा मायल्साक जो आसलो पयलो, आयज तो खंय तरी एक भायर सरून गोवा मायल्स एस्टॅब्लीश करून टीम तो आतां दुसरे आपल्याचें ओन एप सेल्फिशनसान ओन एप ओपन केला ताणें आपल्याचें. आयज ते ओपन करून तो आमचे गांवचे आनी गोंयच्या भुरग्यांचे जे रॉंग कमेंट्स जातात थॉट्स दिता तो भुरग्यांचे रॉंग थ्रू सोशल मिडिया आयज ते आमकां खूब फील जाला आमचे सेंटिमेंट तो हेवला तो परग रायकर म्हणटा तो आमचे एकूच आमचें हें आहा रिक्वेस्ट आहा तुका कडेन केस रजिस्टर करपाची आनी ताका हिंगा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडपाचो त्या बगर आमचे भुरगे कोणूच वयचे ना घरा आनीकूय जर गरज पडटा जाल्यार सगळे आख्खे गोंयचे टॅक्सीकार भुरगे आयज हिंगा उबे रावतले सगळे कडेन कित्याक खूब खूब आमकां हें केलां सेंटिमेंट्स आमचे फील केले फॉल्स एलिगेशन जालां
कितें म्हणटाले
व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाला
कितें आहा सर तेणी आमकां स्पेशल मेन कोर्ट केलो आहा तेगे स्टेटमेंट आहा ते म्हळ्यार ड्रिंक एंड ड्रायव्ह करून आमी गाडी चलयता देर इज इनफ मेशिनरी बाय द गव्हर्मेंट सायड टू टॅकल द सिट्युएशन सो म्हाका दिसला ही कोणाच्यानी आमी हें कोताय एशें ते ड्रिंक एंड ड्रायव्ह कोताय जाल्यार आमी दवरपा पुलीस आहाय सगळी डिपार्टमेंट आहा टू टॅकल द सिट्युएशन आनी तें फॉल्स एलिगेशन तेणें घायलां आनी दीस मेसेज बीन व्हायरल ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सर this bring this thing bad image to the tourism is confirmed
आनी पुलिशेच्यान एक्शन घेवपा जाता पुलिशेच्यान दवरपा जाता कोण पिता ताका केस रेजिस्टर करपा जाता आनी सगळे मजा दाखोवपा जाता बट कोण एक इंडिविज्युअल येतलो आनी टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर बेब दे म्हणटलो आनी आख्खे संवसाराक आख्खे वर्ल्डाक आमगे नांव बेडी कोतलो अशें जाता सो ताका लागून PIA सांगिलां ताबेडतो आमगेली केस रेजिस्टर कर आनी जो परब म्हण ताका अरेस्ट कर कित्याक तेणें फॉल्स एलिगेशन घायलां इतलें
जर ताका अरेस्ट जाल्ला आनी
अरेस्ट जालना जाल्यार फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन आमगे आसतलें आमी तुमकां सांगतले आमी कितें करपा जाय
सो आतां तुमी हांगाच उरतले हांगाच रावतले
आतां आमी डिसिजन कित्याक तें चोयता न्हू
कित्याक आतां तेणी आमकां अक्षरशः पिता म्हटल्यार पिवन गाडयो चलयता हे म्हणजे आमचेर अशें कितले आहा एलिगेशन गॅस्टांनी कंप्लेंट कितले केलेले आहा टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांचेर हो पिवन आपणाक मारलो आनी कितें दुसरें केलें
Kadamba bus, which was parked in the middle of the road at the Kujira Educational Complex, blocked traffic movement at peak school hours. This made it extremely inconvenient for the students and the parents to move. When NSUI State General Secretary objected, the driver not only refused to move the bus but shouted back at the NSUI General Secretary. The KTC should immediately take action against the bus driver for creating nuisance in the middle of the road, NSUI said.
पार्टी घेता कितें ना गाडी ना घेना पळय गाडी पार्क खंय गेला ते पळय तू फाटी घेना मरे तू फाटी घेना मरे गाडी तू गाडी फाटी घेना न्ही रोड ब्लॉक करता मरे तू गाडी फाटी घेना मरे गाडी फाटी घेना ब्लॉक आहा तुझी गाडी फाटी घेना ब्लॉक आहा गाडी फाटी ब्लॉक आहा हांगा ब्लॉक आहा फाटी तू गाडी फाटी करपाक शकना नाव कितें तुजें काय नाव तुजें नाव सांग तुजें नाव कितें तुजें नाव सांग म्हाजें नाव कोण नाव सांगपा तुजें नाव सांग म्हाजें नाव तू गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट ताका लागून चौकशी कर करता राव चल वच
NSUI Goa condemns the act by the Kadamba bus driver with the incident which took place today at Kujira Education Complex. Kadamba bus रस्त्यामध्ये पार्क केलेली ताजे खातीर कितलेशेच स्टुडंट्सांक पेरंट्सांक त्रास जातालो ट्रॅफिक जाम जाल्ली तेन्नाच आमचो एक स्टुडंट डेपो वचपी आनी आमचो NSUI स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी फखरुद्दीन मुजावरान तो इश्यू घेतलो आनी ताका सांगलें की बस काड म्हणून ते बस काडल्या मागीर तांकां भुरग्यांक वचपाक मेळटलें पूण ड्रायव्हरान रिफ्यूज केलें ड्रायव्हर झगडपाक लागलो सो वी कंडेम दिस एक्ट we condemn the arrogance of this driver. This arrogance of this driver is coming from BJP. It's coming from this arrogant government. कशी गव्हर्नमेंट एरोगंट आहा लोकांचे इश्यू घेवन तशेंच यांचे एम्प्लॉई यांचे कॉर्पोरेशन एरोगंट झालेले आहा खास करून KTC सांगू सोदता हांव कितलेशे बशी यांचे चलना कितलेशे बशी यांचे वयताना पोल्युशन करून वयता हांकां पोल्युशन केन्ना यांची सर्विसींग जाली खबर ना सो वी कंडेम दिस एक्ट आनी आमी मागता CM कडेन आनी ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरा कडेन खास करून आनी हेंचो KTC चेअरमॅन उल्हास तुवेकर कडेन कितें चल्ला बेगिने बेगीन ह्या ड्रायव्हराचेर कारवाई करची आनी एक्शन घेवची कित्याक हे एकूच इन्सिडंट लायमलायटान आयला कितलेशे ड्रायव्हर कितलेशेच कंडक्टर आपल्याक जाय तशें करता सो वी NSUI Goa condemn this and we demand immediate action on the driver so that this incident should not be repeated. Thank you.
The Madi ceremony of Our Lady of Velankani was witnessed with great fervour and devotion at Velankani on Thursday. Hundreds of devotees from Goa and other parts of the world attended the Madi ceremony, which was the flag hoisting of Our Lady ahead of the novenas. The feast of Our Lady of Velankani is celebrated on September 8th.
கூட்டத்திலே மெதுவாக கலைந்து செல்லுமாறு இடப்பட வேண்டும். மெதுவாக கலைந்து செல்லுங்கள். கலைந்து செல்லுகின்ற பொழுது உங்களுடைய உடைமைகளை பத்திரமாக பாதுகாத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். நகைப்பை, கடிகாரம், பணப்பை, பீடப்பை அத்தனை பத்திரமாக பாதுகாத்துக் கொள்ளுமாறு இடப்பட வேண்டும். உங்களுடைய பொருட்களுக்கு நீங்கள் தான் பொறுப்பு. எனவே உங்களுடைய பொருட்களை பத்திரமாக பாதுகாத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள்.
Chandor Club secured a spot in the semi-finals of the 49th Chandor Cement Football Tournament with a dramatic 5-4 victory in a penalty shootout against Guardian Angel SC at Chandor ground. Alvin Faria of Chandor Club was named man of the match, with the award presented by former Sarpanch Celine Coelho Furtado.
The match was a thrilling encounter, with both teams fiercely battling to stay in the tournament, keeping the spectators on the edge of their seats. In the 16th minute, Chandor's Moises narrowly missed a goal, with a powerful shot that skimmed just past the target. The first half ended goalless, but the intensity carried into the second half. In the 70th minute, Moises Disa of Chandor launched a powerful free kick that was saved by the Guardian Angel keeper, yet Chandor couldn't capitalize on the rebound, leaving the score tied 1-1 at the end of regulation time. The match was decided by a tense penalty shootout, where Chandor clubs successfully converted their shots. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and update, catch us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.